Om Swastiastu! Hello, welcome to my kitchen. So today I'm going to make purely vegetarian Balinese Urab. So for this recipe, I'm going to use bean sprout, snack bean, cabbage, spinach, and apple aubergine. So let's make it. For the Balinese Urab, we always mix it with the sambal and fresh grated coconut. And for the sambal grater, I'm using shallot, garlic, and chilies. Also, I'm using two types of the oil, which is coconut oil and vegetable oil. And here I have prepared some water, fresh water, because we're going to blanch the vegetables. While I'm waiting the water boiling, I'm going to prepare the shallot, garlic, and chilies. Slice the shallot thinly. Chop the garlic. For the big red chili, I'm going to remove the seed first before I slice it. I also add Bali hot pepper, which is going to give a little kick to my urab later because it's quite spicy. Slice it also thinly. Let's put it aside, and next I'm going to cut the cabbage and the snack bean. The cabbage, I cut it into the big chunk. And for the snack bean, I'm going to cut it into 4 to 5 centimeter long. So remove this hard part. So the water is boiling. I'm going to add a pinch of salt. And let's start blanch the bean sprout first. Just around 20 seconds. So this is enough. Make sure not to get mushy. Next is a cabbage. For around 20 seconds. So it's ready. Now is spinach. For around 2 minutes. The last one is the snack bean. So cook it for around 2 to 3 minutes. It's ready. So let's cool it down, the vegetable that we have been blanched. I didn't blanch the apple aubergine because I'm going to use it fresh later. And next, I'm going to grill the coconut. Grill the coconut both sides. Smells so good. And now let's prepare the sambal. Add the oil, vegetable and coconut one. Add the shallot. I cook the shallot until slightly golden brown. And don't forget to keep stirring it so they not get burned easily. Add the garlic. Cook until the garlic soft. Add the chilies. Cook for another 1 to 2 minutes. Add the salt and sugar. So yummy, it smells so good. Now it's ready. Let's put it aside to cool it down. Now let's grate the coconut. Now I'm going to slice the apple aubergine. Not too thin. So in the same bowl, I'm going to put all the vegetable that has been cooled down. For the spinach, I'm going to squeeze it a little bit to get rid of the excess water. Add the sambal. Around 2 tablespoons of the fresh shallot. Pinch of salt. Squeeze of kaffir lime fruit juice. My mouth start watering. It was so yummy. This is really balanced dish. As a soft, spicy, crunchy, and with the coconut flavor just perfect. So now let's plate it. Sprinkle some fresh shallot and slice kaffir lime fruit as a garnish. So here we are, purely vegetarian Balinese Urab. Thank you very much for watching. Please let me know how your food tastes. And also I'm opening my cooking class in Bali. If you are in Bali and would like to join my cooking class, please drop me your email. I put my email address in the description below. And I hope you enjoy the video. Matur Suksma. Bye bye.